Adventure riding evolves as we gain experience. The focus naturally shifts away from raw speed toward what truly matters: confidence, comfort, and the ability to enjoy the journey for years to come. Here are 7 adventure motorcycles tailored for riders who prioritize a long-term, stress-free ownership experience. Number 7. Suzuki V-Strom 650 XT. The V-Strom 650 XT remains a perennial favorite for senior riders because it simply gets the job done without any fuss. Its legendary 645cc V-twin engine is remarkably smooth, providing predictable power that is easy to manage in all conditions. The upright riding position and excellent wind protection significantly reduce rider fatigue, making it a stellar choice for long-distance touring. Owners consistently praise its low running costs, bulletproof reliability, and the confidence-inspiring handling that makes low-speed maneuvering feel effortless. With a sensible seat height and a well-balanced chassis, it remains one of the most approachable adventure bikes on the market. While the power delivery is reliable rather than pulse-pounding, its ability to reliably cover thousands of miles with minimal maintenance is its greatest strength. For the rider who wants a proven companion that will not break the bank or the back, the V-Strom 650 XT is an enduring, trustworthy choice for your next decade of riding. Number 6. Honda NX500. The Honda NX500 is the perfect antidote to the bigger is better mindset. Its manageable weight, just under 440 pounds, makes it incredibly easy to handle in parking lots or on narrow roads, offering a level of confidence that heavier bikes simply cannot match. The ergonomics are natural and relaxed, while the 471cc parallel twin engine is renowned for its reliability and fuel efficiency. For senior riders looking to downsize without giving up the joy of adventure touring, this bike provides a friendly, low-maintenance experience that keeps the focus on the scenery. It is designed primarily for paved roads and light gravel, where its suspension feels composed and its seating position keeps you comfortable for hours. Although it is not built for hardcore off-road trails, it excels as an effortless, confidence-inspiring touring machine. If you value peace of mind and an easy-to-ride platform that makes every mile enjoyable, the NX500 is a brilliant, understated partner that lets you focus on the road ahead rather than the weight beneath you. Number 5. Moto Guzzi V85 TT. The V85 TT offers a unique ownership experience defined by character, comfort, and, perhaps most importantly, its shaft drive. For the senior rider, the ability to avoid chain maintenance is a major advantage, allowing you to focus entirely on the journey. Its air-cooled 853cc V-twin provides a relaxed, rhythmic power delivery that is deeply satisfying for long-distance highway cruising. The seat is well padded and comfortable, while the classic, timeless styling makes it a bike you will be proud to keep in your garage for years. It manages its weight well, and the ergonomics are set up for an upright, commanding view of the road. While the dealer network is smaller than that of the Japanese brands, the reward is a machine that feels truly artisanal and mechanically straightforward. It is a fantastic choice for riders who want a reliable, shaft-driven tourer with real soul and a comfortable, relaxed riding position that makes every adventure feel a little more special. Number 4. Yamaha Ténéré 700 Explorer. The Ténéré 700 Explorer is the refined choice for riders who want adventure capability in a package that does not feel like a chore to manage. Yamaha's 689cc CP2 engine is celebrated for its incredible reliability and punchy, accessible torque, making it a joy to ride on winding mountain highways. The Explorer version specifically adds touring-focused upgrades, including improved wind protection and suspension tuned for greater rider comfort during long days in the saddle. It retains the lightweight, agile feel of the standard T7, making it easy to balance and control, even when fully loaded for a trip. It strikes a great balance between off-road versatility and highway manners, giving you the confidence to explore beyond the pavement whenever the mood strikes. While its wind protection is still not as generous as massive dedicated Grand Tourers, it provides a perfect middle ground for riders who value agility and mechanical simplicity. If you want a reliable, modern adventure bike that feels light, capable, and ready for any road, the Ténéré 700 Explorer is a stellar option. Number 3. Honda XL750 Transalp. The Transalp is a masterclass in versatility, offering a riding experience that feels light, manageable, and remarkably smooth. Its 755cc parallel twin engine delivers power in a linear, predictable way that is perfect for the varied demands of long-distance adventure touring. The ergonomics are specifically designed for comfort, placing the rider in an upright, neutral position that minimizes strain on the wrists and back. It is a bike that feels remarkably easy to own, thanks to Honda's reputation for reliability and the intuitive way it handles both city traffic and sweeping backroads. Whether you are navigating a mountain pass or a well-maintained gravel connector, the Transalp stays composed and confident. While it lacks the extreme off-road specialization of rally-focused machines, it hits the sweet spot for most riders who value road-going comfort and light adventure capability. For the senior rider who wants a balanced, reliable, and comfortable motorcycle that is easy to manage and fun to ride, the XL750 Transalp is a top-tier contender that simplifies your adventure. Number 2. BMW R1300 GS. For the rider who wants the absolute pinnacle of touring technology and comfort, the R1300 GS is unrivaled. Its standout feature is the Evo telelever front suspension, which keeps the bike incredibly stable and resists brake dive, creating a calm, planted feeling that builds instant confidence. With 145 horsepower on tap and a low-slung boxer engine that gives it a low center of gravity, it is deceptively easy to handle despite its size. Features like radar cruise control and electronic suspension adjustment make long-distance highway travel feel effortless, while the passenger comfort is among the best in the adventure class. It is a premium machine that holds its resale value exceptionally well and offers a level of refinement that is hard to find elsewhere. The only trade-off is that the initial purchase price and maintenance costs are significantly higher than other options on this list. However, if you are looking for a state-of-the-art touring machine that can comfortably carry you and a passenger across the continent with total ease, the R1300 GS is the definitive choice. Number 1. Honda Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES-DCT. The Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES-DCT is a revelation for senior riders, largely thanks to its dual-clutch transmission, or DCT. By removing the need to manage a clutch lever and foot shifter, DCT drastically reduces fatigue during long journeys and removes the stress of stop-and-go city traffic, allowing you to focus entirely on the ride. It features excellent wind protection, a large fuel tank for long-range touring, and electronic suspension that adjusts in real time to keep your ride smooth and comfortable. Despite its substantial presence, the low-speed handling is surprisingly intuitive, making it a very capable touring partner once you are underway. It is built to be a reliable, high-capability machine that can handle everything from highways to gravel roads with ease. While the bike can feel heavy when stationary, the immense benefit of the DCT system and its superior touring ergonomics make it the ultimate choice for riders who want to maximize their time in the saddle. It is a truly sophisticated, comfortable, and reliable adventure bike that lets you keep the dream of adventure alive for years to come. Adventure has no age limit, and the right motorcycle can ensure the road stays open for years. Confidence and comfort are the true measures of an adventure bike. Which of these machines would you choose for your next big ride? Comment below, like, and subscribe for more. Adventure awaits.